In this video, we are going to investigate a little bit about the patches context and turtles context, in which what properties can we access. By intuition, when we say ask patches to do something, we are changing the patch properties. We can access patch properties and change it. It would be illogical to say I ask patches. On the patches context, I can change turtles properties. Sounds absurd. Similarly, when we ask turtles to do something, we are changing only turtles properties. It should not change patches properties. That sounds about right. However, in reality, it's not that easy. There is some trick in it. As a matter of fact, in reality, when we ask turtles, when we are within turtles context, we can not only access turtles properties, but also the patch underneath that turtle. We can try it out. Okay, we can restart, and here is our nest, which we already know. So far, we don't have any turtles. As we count turtles, it's 0. So when we trying to ask patches, what kind of patches? The patches which the distance xy, the patches, any patches distance to the original point is smaller than 5. This kind of patch are the nest patches. So we make it to change color. We can access the patch property, which is p color, to be red. So now it's become red. And we wonder, can we access the color, which is the turtle's color? We can't. But the reason is not because we haven't created a turtle yet. The reason is because we are under the patch context, and the color is a turtle and the link property only. Therefore, we cannot access and change this property. It is not because there's no turtle created yet. Because if we create some turtle, say create turtles 1 as the place, say x coordinates. Let's just create it. It will appear in the original point like this one, but we can make the size bigger. Ask turtles, set size to be 5, and set its color to be yellow. Okay, so that's a turtle. That's a single turtle we got. We can count it to make sure. Just 1, yes. Now, can we access the patch where the ant is standing on, and then through that patch access the turtle's property? Can we do that? I don't think we can, but we can give a try. P x coordinates to be 0 and p y coordinates to be 0, so that we are at the original position. We find that patch in the original point, and we say we are going to access color, show the color of the turtle on that patch. We can't, even though we have that turtle already exists, but we can't access its color. So we change this to turtle, but the position is still the same. We just need to change it to the turtle's coordinates, and show color. It should tell us the color is 45, which is yellow. So it proves the point that under the context of patch, we can only access patch's properties, not turtle's property. However, it is not so vice versa. So if we turn it around, ask turtles, okay, we only have one turtle, so you will ask this single one turtle. We ask turtles to show us the P color, which is the patch underneath this ant. It should not be yellow, it should be red. 15 is red. We can give it a try. Let's say P color. Anyway, we can. Are we sure that 15 is yellow? We can have a try. Okay, this is all yellow, right? So try this. This is yellow. It says it is yellow. We copy it. We paste it. Oh, it's 45. Sorry. What we are saying is, okay, P color 15 is red, and the P color is the patch's color. That's why. So we do it again. Oops. What's going on? Oh, it's 3D view. We need color switches. Red, is it red? It is red. Now let's paste it. 15, yes. So that's right. So we can access the patch under turtle's context, which we already proved the points. We can also find out its coordinates of that patch under the turtle, which is 0. That's correct. So the point is made. Also, there's additional information about distance xy. Remember, when we use distance xy, we ask patches to try out the distance xy. So the distance xy is supposed to refer to the patch distance towards certain points. However, if we look very carefully to the distance documentation, we notice that it's not only to the turtle, it's also to the patch. So not only on the patch context, but also on the turtle's context, this function can be used.